Hello students, today we will see how to solve word problem using simultaneous equations. Before we solve this word problem, we need to understand the steps for solving the word problem. Steps for solving word problems. First, read the problem carefully. Second, identify the conditions given in the problem. Third, assume the variables for the unknown quantities. Fourth is, frame the equations according to conditions given in the problem. Fifth is, solve the equations and obtain the values of the variables. And finally, write the answer. So first, read the word problem carefully. Two numbers differ by 3. The sum of twice the smaller number and thrice the greater number is 19. Find the numbers. Read the last line again. Find the numbers. It means that the problem is around the numbers. You have to find numbers. For any unknown number or any unknown quantities, we assume variables. First, identify the conditions given in the problem. Read the first line again. Two numbers differ by 3. Here is a first condition. So it is clear that one number is greater and another number is smaller. Differ means difference. So the difference between two numbers is 3. So let the greater number be x and smaller number be y. We assume x for greater number and y for smaller number. Now condition says that difference between two numbers is 3. Therefore, equation can be written as x minus y equal to 3 according to the first condition. Here x is greater number, y is smaller number. Now read the second line. The sum of twice the smaller number and thrice the greater number is 19. Here twice the smaller number is y and greater number is x. Twice the smaller number means 2 times y. So here I have written here 2y. And thrice the greater number means 3 times greater number is x, therefore 3x. And sum means addition, therefore according to second condition, our second equation can be written as 3x plus 2y equal to 19, because sum is given 19. So here we have found two equations. These are the simultaneous equations. So to obtain the values of variable, we need to solve these simultaneous equations. We have seen how to solve simultaneous equations. Here we are going to use elimination method to solve these equations. In elimination method, one of the variable is eliminated. So first choose the variable which is to be eliminated, and then make the coefficients of that variable equal. Here I choose the variable y which is to be eliminated. Now analyze the coefficient of variable y. Here coefficient of variable y is 2. So I multiply equation 1 by 2 so that the coefficients of variable y will become numerically equal. Therefore after multiplication equation 1 by 2, equation 1 become 2 into x 2x, 2 into y 2y, plus minus equal as it is 3 to the 6. So consider this equation as equation number 3. Now we have equation number 2 and equation number 3. Coefficients of variable y are numerically equal. Now analyze their sign. Here sign are different. In case of numerically equal coefficient, if the signs are different, add the equations, and if signs are same, then subtract one equation from the other equations. Here signs are different, therefore we add equation 2 and 3. Here I have written equation 2 plus equation 3. To add this equation, write these equations one below the other. 3x plus 2x, that gives us 5x, plus 2y minus 2y get cancelled. 19 plus 6, that gives us 25. Now here 5 is transposed to right side, therefore x equal to 25 upon 5. 5 5s are 25. So the value of variable x is 5. To obtain the value of y, put this value of x in equation 1, 2 or 3. I put value of x in equation 1. So putting x equal to 5 in equation 1. So put 5 at the place of x. Therefore equation 1 become 5 minus y as it is equal 3 as it is. 5 minus y equal to 3. Now transpose 5 to right side of equal sign. Therefore minus y equal to 3 plus 5 become minus 5. Minus y as it is, equal sign as it is. 3 minus 5 gives us minus 2. Here greater number has minus sign, therefore 2 has minus sign. Both sides have minus sign, therefore minus sign will be cancelled and y is equal to 2. We have considered x for greater number and y for smaller number. Now value of x is 5 and value of y is 2. Therefore greater number is 5 and smaller number is 2. In this way we have found two numbers 5 and 2. Now let us see another word problem. The sum of father's age and twice the age of his son is 70. If we double the age of the father and add it to the age of his son, the sum is 95. Find their present ages. Read the last line again. Find their present ages. It means that we have to find the present age of father and his son. Here again remember one thing, that we always consider the variable for the unknown quantities or numbers. Read the first line again. The sum of father's age and twice the age of his son is 70. Here is our first condition. So let the father's present age be x year and son's present age be y year. Now here sum of father's age, sum means addition, and twice the age of his son, twice means 2 times of age of his sons. What is the present age of his son? Son's present age is y. Therefore twice means 2y. And sum means addition. Therefore our first equation becomes x plus 2y equal to 70 according to first condition. Now read the second line. If we double the age of father, what is the father's present age? Father's present age is x. We double the age, double means 2x. Here I have written 2x. And add it, therefore here is a plus sign. Add it to the age of his son. Age of his son is y. Therefore equation become 2x plus y equal to 95, because sum is given 95. Now here also we have found two equations which are simultaneous equations. To obtain the value of variable, we need to solve this simultaneous equation. Now we have seen how to solve simultaneous equations. We are going to use here elimination method to solve this simultaneous equation. In elimination method, first choose the variable which is to be eliminated and then make the coefficients of that variable equal. Here I choose variable x. Now analyze the coefficient. Here coefficient of x is 2. Therefore, I multiply equation 1 by 2 so that the coefficients of variable x will be equal. So after multiplying equation 1 by 2, equation 1 become, here is nothing in coefficient, means coefficient is 1. Therefore, 2 ones are 2. 2x plus 2 to the 4y equal to 70 into 2, 140. Here multiply each term with 2. Now we have equation number 2 and equation number 3. Now analyze the coefficients. Here you can see that the coefficients are same and signs are also same, that is plus sign. So if the signs are same, we subtract one equation from the other equation so that the variable can be eliminated. Here we subtract equation 2 from equation 3. Therefore equation 3 minus equation 2. So first write down equation number 3. Here is equation 3 and then write down equation 2 below the equation number 3. Here we are subtracting the equation. Therefore the signs of equation number 2 will be changed. Plus sign will become minus sign, plus sign will become minus sign, and here plus sign changes to minus sign. Plus 2x minus 2x get cancelled. 4y minus 1y equal to 3y. 140 minus 95 gives us 45. Always remember that we have to consider the new change sign. Now transpose 3 to right side. Therefore y equal to 45 upon 3. That gives us y equal to 15. Now put this value of y either in equation 1, 2 or 3. I put this value of y in equation 1. Therefore equation 1 become x plus 2 into 15. Here x plus 2 into y. Value of y is 15. Therefore equation become x plus 2 into 15 equal to 17. X plus 2 into 15, 30. 70 as it is. 30 is transposed to right side. Therefore plus 30 become minus 30. X equal to 70 minus 30, that gives us 40. We have considered x for the father's present age and y for the son's present age. Therefore father's present age is 40 years and son's present age is 15 years.